Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change a dashed line to solid line in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly, then you show the page is dash table. This dash table is change the solid line table. Firstly, select your all table option and click for the design option. Now click for the border style option and click for the solid line option. Now click for the border option and click for the all border option. That's okay. Then I show the sense dash border dash line to solid line in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.